Actress Maha Salvador openly supports Kiko Pangilinan's bid for senator, praising his integrity and leadership. As the 2025 midterm elections draw near, actress and celebrity mom Maha Salvador has publicly declared her support for former Senator Kiko Pangilinan's senatorial bid. The actress took to Instagram to share her endorsement, emphasizing Pangilinan's integrity and dedication to public service. Sa 25 years ni Kuya Kiko Pangilinan sa public service, ni minsan di nasangkot si Kuya Kiko sa anumang korupsyon o kalokohan, tapat at totoong naglingkod bayan, Maha wrote in her post. Maha Salvador further highlighted that she has been a long-time supporter of Pangilinan. Walang bahid ng katiwalian, kaya mula pa 2007 sinuportahan ko na po siya. At hanggang ngayon sinusuportahan ko pa rin po si Kuya. Maha's endorsement comes in the wake of reports that she made an appearance at a campaign rally for the Solid North Party list. Her declaration adds to the growing list of celebrities backing Pangilinan's candidacy. Other notable personalities supporting him include Tia Magalona, beauty queen Aya Fernandez, veteran actress Pinky Amador, TV host comedian Vice Ganda, and showbiz vlogger OG Diaz. Kiko Pangilinan, husband of megastar Sharon Cuneta, has long been recognized for his dedication to public service, particularly in the fields of agriculture and food security. His political career, spanning over 2 decades, has been marked by his advocacy for farmers, fisherfolk, and ordinary Filipino families. Maha's strong support highlights Pangilinan's reputation as an honest and principled leader who remains free from corruption allegations. Beyond politics, Maha Salvador is also making headlines with her return to the entertainment industry. She recently signed with MQuest Ventures, teasing a slate of new projects for 2025. The 36-na-year-old actress is set to star in the upcoming revenge drama Athena, marking her much-anticipated return to television. In addition, she will be hosting the 5th season of the game show Imagination and a new dance competition series titled Isayaw Mo. Maha had previously taken a hiatus from showbiz to focus on her family life after giving birth to her daughter, Maria, her first child with husband Rambo Nunez. Now, with both her political endorsement and her professional comeback, Maha Salvador continues to be a dynamic force in both the entertainment and social spheres.